Hi everyone! Tonight we'll be doing a streaming live selling session with my BKK shop. Geraldine is back in Singapore and they are running like a live marathon. We'll be the one that's taking off the beauty and the treatment segment, and this time it's going to be a collaboration with TikTok. So it's going to be awesome because they are giving away 20% discount of everything you buy. So TikTok will be paying off the 20% bill, okay? So do not miss this live, okay?
This will be a once in a lifetime opportunity for you to get all our services and products at 20% off, on top of the discounts that we're already giving to you BKK sisters.
We're gonna make your face and your hair so smooth that you will be so intrigued, okay?
During this BKK Live, right, Jessie has come up with so many different new services and new products from our lab that you have never ever seen before or have never heard on BKK Live before. It's been a long time since we did a BKK Live with Geraldine herself, so let's make this an extremely epic one.
So we have so many new products, new services that we've been researching for more than a year already, and now it's the big launch, okay? So join us for the big launch tonight. See you there!
Bye! See you tonight!